Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture we will discuss a few important terms. It is related with the computer engineering and we will also discuss its full form. What is the full form of Google? The full form of Google is a global organization of oriented group language for Earth. It is the full form of Google. The next term is Internet. Its full form is Interconnected Network. Third one is IMEI. Okay, IMEI means International Mobile Equipment Identity. Okay, it is the unique number and it is a 15-digit number. Okay, it is used in all types of mobile. Okay, to identifying the location of the mobile on mobile network, and it is the 15-digit number. Okay, from this number you come to know that the manufacturer detail and the origin of the country. Okay, and it is a 15-digit number and it is used in all mobile devices. Okay, the next term is IoT. Its full form is Internet of Things. It describes the network of physical objects or things that are embedded with the sensors, softwares and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging the data with devices and system over the internet. Okay, the next one is IP. Its full form is Internet Protocol. The next one is HTML. Okay, its full form is Hypertext Markup Language. You can design your own web page by using this language. It is a simple language. You can learn it from your own way and you can create your own website. Okay, its full form is Hypertext Markup Language. The next one is DVD. Okay, its full form is Digital Versatile Disc. Same as for CD, its full form is Compact Disc. DVR, its full form is Digital Video Recorder. Okay, and DFS, Distributed File System. DFD, Data Flow Diagram. The next important term is DNS. Its full form is Domain Name System. Okay, DNS translate the human readable database into IP address. Okay, this IP address, it can be easily read by the computer. So DNS is used to translate the human readable data into machine readable data, and its full form is Domain Name System. The next one is BIOS, BIOS, Basic Input Output System. The next one is LCD. Its full form is Liquid Crystal Display. The next one is LED. Its full form is Light Emitting Diode. The next one is LAN. Its full form is Local Area Network. The next one is laser. Its full form is Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation. Next one is MAN, MAN. Okay, Metropolitan Area Network. The next one is MICR, MICR. Its full form is Magnetic Ink Character Reader, and generally it is used in banking sector to identifying the originality of the check and to identify the other important document. Okay, it is useful in banking sector. The next one is MBPS, Megabyte per Second. Next one is OCR, Optical Character Reader. OS, OS means operating system. Its full form is operating system. Next one is OTG, on the go. Okay, PDF, portable document format. Okay, its full form is portable document format. The next one is PNG. Its full form is Portable Network Graphics. PIN, its full form is Personal Identification Number. Then PPT, a PowerPoint presentation. PAN, PAN. Okay, its full form is Personal Area Network. The next important term is RAM and ROM, Random Access Memory and Read Only Memory. The next one is RTF, Rich Text Format. RTC, Real Time Clock. SMPS, Switch Mode Power Supply. The next one is UPS, Uninterrupted Power Supply. Okay, it is used in domestic as well as in company okay, this UPS device, okay, it is connected with the desktop and computer. So whenever any interruption in the electricity, okay, at that time there is a backup in the UPS, okay, and your system, it is not shut down. Okay, this is the function of UPS. Its full form is uninterrupted power supply. The next one is e-com, electronic commerce. The next one is email, okay, electronic mail. The next one is fax. Its full form is far away Xerox. It is used in government sector. Okay, you can instantly contact or communicate with the government authorities through fax. Okay, its full form is far away Xerox. The next one is Fortran. Okay, its full form is formula translation. Next one is EXE, executable file. EDP, electronic data processing. FTP, file transfer protocol. PNG, its full form is portable network graphics. PIN, personal identification number. The full form of PIN is personal identification number. The next one is PPT. Its full form is PowerPoint presentation. The next two important terms, RAM and ROM. Okay, RAM means its full form is random access memory and ROM means read-only memory. The full form of SIM, subscriber identification module. SDN, service digital network. URL, its full form is uniform resource locator. It is an address to a web resource on internet that specify its location on a computer. Okay, URL. The next one is USB. Its full form is universal series bus. Virus. Okay, it's important term, virus. Its full form is vital information resources under siege. Its full form is vital information resources under siege. This is the full form of virus. The next term is VLSI. Its full form is very large scale integration. VGA, video graphics array. The next important term is URI. Okay, its full form is uniform resource identifier. UNIVAC, UNIVAC, universal automatic computer. UI, user interface. TCP, transmission control protocol. TFT, thin film transistor. Okay, the next term is SVG, scalable vector graphics. HS, hotspot. Okay, in day-to-day life we are using hotspot to connect the mobile device with other mobile network. Okay, its full form is hotspot, HS. The next one is JPEG, joint photography expert group. Okay, it's a file format, image format, JPEG, PNG. Okay, the next one is AI, artificial intelligence. The next important term is BASIC. Its full form is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. The next important term is VAN, virtual area network. VB, visual basic. VPN, virtual private network. VDD, virtual display drivers. VLAN, virtual local area network. WAN, WAN, wide area network. WWW, world wide web. Okay, it is using website, for example www.amazon.com. okay, so WW means world wide web. The next important term is Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. CGA, color graphics adapter. Email, electronic mail. FDD, floppy disk drive. GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, the next one is GIF, graphical interchange format. Okay, this file is used in all types of animated format. Okay, like as cartoon animation. Okay, in all animated file. Okay, it's a GIF file. CRT, cathode ray tube. Common business oriented language. CD, compact disc. CDR, compact disc recordable. CDRW, compact disc rewritable. CAD, computer aided design. So these are the all important terms and its full form, and it is generally asked in all types of government competitive exam. I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical videos, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.